All right. So now I'm going to basically change Retrofit to use Coroutines. So instead of using NQ to do asynchronous calls, we're going to use the Kotlin coroutines. And so, yeah, it works kind of better with the life cycle type stuff of Android and a lot of just Android stuff in general. So it fits better there. And it just helps a lot with a lot of extra stuff. But yeah, anyways, first thing we need to do is get the dependency. So I'll leave a link to this, but if you just search Kotlin coroutine, it's in the documentation, and yeah, so yep. We're gonna use we're gonna launch the coroutine in the view model. So we're gonna use a view model scope, and it's saying this is the older version 1.41. Okay, and then so yeah, if you don't have say if you're not following along with these videos, and you don't have this package or this dependency, then you'll need to add this Kotlin extension, view model extension, Kotlin extension, and that gives you the view model scope. That's what we're going to use to make the network request. So yeah, that's only if you don't have this. I'm not sure why this navigation fragment has it already, but yeah. Yeah, we'll sync this real quick. I didn't even look at that. But yeah, so yeah, the first place we'll go is to the service post service class, and then we'll add a suspend keyword in front of the function keyword, and we'll remove call. So we don't need this anymore. Um, then we'll also go to the repository class. We need to make this private. And then, yeah, we'll also add the suspend keyword in front of this. And yeah, we'll also remove call there as well. So, yep. And then the last place is the view model. So now it's throwing error because this is looking for a call. So from retrofit, the call class. But yeah, so we're not going to use that anymore. So, but we do need the coroutines job. Or we'll do var job. So m job equals, or actually we'll just do job, and then make sure it's from coroutines in case you have another package or something. But we'll just make it null at first. But then we'll go down to the data function, and we'll do mjob equals view model scope dot launch, and we want to choose the second one because I want to set the coroutine context. Or yeah. And so we'll do dispatchers.io. And so IO is for like any, or input output is kind of in the initials of it. But any network request or any database, local database reads, like if you're using the room database. And then, so it's basically the same code after that, but we'll put in a try catch. So yeah, they want to catch. So we'll do exception. Yeah, okay. And then, yeah, it's the same code really. So post, we'll do val post equals post repository dot get data. And so this kind of makes it where we can have instead of a lot of callback code, we can have we have the code more synchronous, I guess you could say, uh, instead of having a lot of different callbacks. So yeah, then we just do in post dot post value. and then we'll do post. So this will do the same thing. So we don't even need any of this. I guess we can copy this. I'll just redo it. It doesn't take much. Okay, so e get message. Take from Java. Okay, and then yeah, I don't need that. Okay, I really don't even need this anymore. And then we need to cancel the job in case the view model gets destroyed or cleared. So we'll just start typing on cleared, and then it should show up. And then you could just do mjob dot cancel. Yeah, so basically it will cancel the coroutine if it's cleared yet. And everything should be the same. Yeah, now it's showing the same data, but it's using we're using coroutines instead. And yep, that's it.